integrate OpenTelemetry into a Node.js app and why it's such a powerful tool for developers. In modern application, performance monitoring and debugging are crucial for providing great user experience. This is where OpenTelemetry comes in. It's an open source framework that provides a standardized way to collect telemetry data from application, like distributed tracing for tracking requests and metric for measuring performance. OpenTelemetry allows you to visualize bottlenecks, diagnose issues, and trace requests across multiple services in real time, all without requiring complex code changes.
First, you need to create hotel demo, a project directory named hotel demo or any of the name of your choice. And in it, create a file called app.js and copy the following code in it and save it. After that, move to the project directory you have created and navigate it to the terminal. For this OpenTelemetry setup, you need Node.js installed in your system. So check for the Node.js installation. In my system, it is already installed, and also check for npm installation. If Node.js is not installed in your system, go to the official website and install the Node.js and complete the installation process, or else it will not work. So now both the Node and npm both are installed in my system. We can proceed with the further thing. So now first is npm install express. Npm install express is to add the Express library to our Node.js project. Express is a popular web framework for Node.js that makes it easy to create web servers and handle HTTP requests. Without installing Express, our app.js file would not work because Node.js by itself does not have inbuilt method for creating a web server easily. Run this command. So it will install the required packages. And then run the next command is installing the OpenTelemetry in our system. So this will install all the OpenTelemetry packages and dependencies into your project. Run this command. So all the packages are installed now. After this, you have to create another file called hotelinit.js and copy the following code in it. Make sure you create both the file in same directory and save this, and then to run the app, run this command. Here, to start the app with OpenTelemetry tracing, it loads the hotelinit.js file first and set up the telemetry, OpenTelemetry first, and then it starts the app.js file which runs your Express file app. Run this command. You need to get the initializing OpenTelemetry message first, and then here OpenTelemetry initialized successfully, and demo app is listening at the local host. After this, you have to go to any web browser and type localhost. You can see the message hello from OpenTelemetry demo app. This is from the OpenTelemetry demo app. This message is from OpenTelemetry demo app. And now go to terminal. So you can see the span, live span. Here this message means that your Express app is running successfully with the OpenTelemetry. So you are seeing the span, live span, that is tracing of the request received. Every time I'll refresh the OpenTelemetry, it will capture a new span for HTTP request. So when I go to the web browser again and I'll refresh and go to the terminal, I will get the new span. So you can see the new span created here. Every time I'll refresh the browser, OpenTelemetry will automatically capture a new span. The span has trace ID, name, status code, and many other attributes. Since our code is small, we have only these many attributes. So status code is 0, which means that the request was successful. In this simple example, OpenTelemetry is automatically capturing and printing spans for every request without us writing much code, making it a powerful tool for observability in the modern application. Thank you.